Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Toyota Tundra. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the following features are included: a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.